Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. I hope you are all watching my technical analysis and learning from my analysis videos. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. In this video, we will be analyzing British Pound US Dollar, Euro US Dollar. Let us start with the analysis. First, we will be analyzing British Pound US Dollar. I am in daily time frame in British Pound US Dollar, and here we can notice that the current price action was moving in a channel pattern. It was going up, retracement, and tested this bottommost support. Again it went and tested this uppermost resistance. Again it is tested the bottommost support, and currently I was expecting it to test at least to this level of around 1.355. Looks like the bullish strength is not there. It is in a kind of consolidation for now. It has taken support over here and it doesn't have the enough bullish strength to start its uptrend. But still the channel pattern are still valid, and you can notice that it has taken support over here, and I am expecting it to again take support over here. As long as it doesn't break this channel pattern, we can expect the trend reversal to happen and test this central line of the channel pattern. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame also I have drawn the resistance line, blue color line, and currently the resistance line has been broken and tried to test this central line. I have marked it in red color and didn't have enough bullish strength to test this level, and currently it has retraced and taken support on this support line. Presently resistance line is acting as a support line for now. I am expecting it to trend down and test this bottommost support line, again start its bullish trend and test this topmost resistance. But on the other hand, when we look at the price action, it is still on a uptrend. This is a support line. Presently also it is taking support on the support line. So I am expecting it to take support and start its uptrend. Let us see how price action goes for today. But in overall, when we see the price action, it is on a bearish trend from the daily time frame. Within this bearish trend, it is going up and down and slowly moving on a bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame and mark the trading ranges for today. So I am in 30 minutes time frame now. As I said, it is under a consolidation now. It has not broken this topmost resistance, or it has not broken this previous low also. It has taken support over this dynamic support line, and I am expecting little bit of retracement to happen or to follow this support line and test this bottommost support line of the daily time frame channel pattern. Let us mark the trading ranges for today. This is going to be the next level of support, and presently this is acting as a resistance. Next resistance level is going to be here. Next resistance is going to be here, and this is going to be the next resistance, and this is going to be the topmost resistance. If it still goes further, we can expect it to test this topmost resistance level from the daily time frame, and bottommost support is going to be at this level. Please mark these ranges in your chart and plan your entry and exit based on the price action. Let us do the analysis in Euro USD. I am in weekly time frame of Euro USD. Here I had already mentioned that this currency pair formed into a very nice double top pattern, and presently it is on a retracement. It is presently very close to testing the dynamic support from the weekly time frame. If it manages to break it, we can expect a further fall to this black color support line. As long as this black color support line is not breached, we will say that it is on a bullish trend. We can expect a retracement and retest on the upper side. But if it breaks this black color line, we can expect a further fall, which will be the trend reversal. So presently, even though it is falling, we are still hoping that it is on a bullish trend. It is only trying to complete this double top pattern. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I am in daily time frame in Euro USD. here, as I had mentioned earlier, it was moving in a very nice channel pattern, and bottommost support was also very well respected, and presently we can clearly notice that it is on a very strong downtrend. It has also broken this support level over here, and presently it is taking support on the dynamic support from the weekly time frame, this black color diagonal line. If it breaks this level, we can expect it to test this next level of support for, which is around 1.11, and if it breaks this level, we can see that it has broken the channel pattern also. We can expect it to test this next level of support, which is around 1.09455. So this is going to be a very strong support level. Let's see if it breaks this level. Maybe I'm expecting a little bit of retracement and test this level of resistance, which is around 1.13691, and then start its bearish trend. Let's see how price action goes for today. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame and mark the ranges for trading today. So I'm in hourly time frame now in Euro USD currency pairs, and you can clearly notice that it has tested this resistance level from the channel pattern of daily time frame. Again tested this support level and has broken this support level. Again retested on the resistance level again. Again it has fallen very far, and it did not take time to break this support level also. The bearish trend was very strong, so it has broken trend also. Here when we notice the current price action in hourly time frame, it has broken the channel pattern of daily time frame and testing this support level of weekly time frame. Let us see if it breaks this level or not. This is a very strong support level. So as I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to retrace and test this resistance level over here. But if the bullish strength is very strong, we can expect it to still fall further to test this bottommost support level, which is around 1.0943. But overall the market looks bearish, so don't go on a bullish side. Let us mark the trading ranges for today. This is going to be the resistance, this is going to be the present resistance, and presently it is testing this level. Next level of support is going to be here, and next level of support is going to be here, and next level of support is going to be here, and resistance is going to be over here. I'm expecting a bearish trend today, so I marked more ranges in the bearish side. If it retraces, you can expect it to test this resistance level, which is around 1.13686. Let us see how price action goes today, based on which I'll come with the new targets tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video analysis useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.